Welcome to Solar Panels Cincinnati, where our mission is to illuminate the path for communities to transition to solar energy, making a brighter, greener future accessible to all. In Cincinnati, we're not just installing solar panels, we're building a movement towards sustainable living, one rooftop at a time. At Solar Panels Cincinnati, we believe in the power of community. That's why we're deeply committed to helping local homeowners and businesses harness the sun's energy, reducing carbon footprints and energy bills simultaneously. Our team of experts works tirelessly to provide the best quality solar panels, ensuring that every installation is tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. But our commitment doesn't stop at installation. We're actively working with government bodies to secure more rebates and incentives for solar adopters. Our goal is to make solar energy not just an environmentally conscious choice, but a financially savvy one too. By advocating for increased government support, we aim to make solar panels more accessible to everyone in our community. The journey to a sustainable future is a collective one, and at Solar Panels Cincinnati, we're proud to lead the charge. We're not just providing energy solutions, we're empowering our community to invest in a cleaner, greener tomorrow. Join us in this solar revolution, and together, let's light up Cincinnati with renewable energy. Thank you for considering Solar Panels Cincinnati as your partner in going solar. Together, we can make a significant impact, not just on our energy bills, but on the planet. Let's take this step towards sustainable living for our community and for future generations.